This 2026 Sunset Park RV SunRay 149 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Taylor, Michigan, 48180 and is offered for sale by Vickers Trailer Sales. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Sunset Park RV is 16 feet 2 inches in length and features skylight, spare tire kit, air conditioning, external shower, awning, TV antenna, smoke detector, refrigerator, microwave, water heater. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Sunset Park RV SunRay 149 is 2,260 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Vickers Trailer Sales.